Soda is a toxin. The more you drink, the more sick you get, right? Soda is very bad for you, okay? So no more drinking that soda. Who's been using it the longest? I found out Dr. Shinya. Dr. Shinya is a very famous doctor. He is famous because he treated our President of the United States, George Bush, Bill Clinton, the royal family of Japan, Prince Charles, Queen of England. Those are all his patients. Very famous doctor. He's professor of surgery at Albert Einstein College of Medicine, chief of endoscopy, Beth Israel Medical Center, famous medical doctor, PhD, right? And he treated over 400,000 patients for the colon. And if you look at his patients, it's pretty amazing because look at the picture. He wrote this book, The Enzyme Factor, 2 million copies sold worldwide. Diet for the future that will prevent heart disease, cure cancer, stop type 2 diabetes, right? Chief of endoscopy unit, Beth Israel's Medical Center, clinical professor of surgery, Albert Einstein College of Medicine, very famous doctor. Treated our President, Queen of England, all the patients, right? The first thing he talks about, Kangen water, right? Kangen water is very, very good for you. And in the book, he says this. Kangen water is considered very best drinking water because of its incomparable powers of hydration. You guys saw the tea bag, the detoxification, the purple color, right? And the antioxidant, we measure with the meter, minus 360, right? Anti-aging, antioxidant, the best water. So he talks about it in here. Okay, very famous doctor. So look at the result. Here's his patient. The patient, this is one of his patients. When they go in there, look, it looks really bad. Drinking the water for 3 months, okay, improving the diet. Look, you're like a baby again. Very powerful, before and after. Wow, it's amazing, right? Another one, 45 years old with prostate cancer, right? 3 months on the water, drinking the water, right? You're like a baby again. That's what he said, Dr. Shinya said. Right? I heard him speak a couple times already. You're like a baby again. Amazing, amazing, right? So it's really healthy and cleanses your body, right? Very powerful water that cleanses your body, detox and cleanses the body. I love the water. You guys will try it too. You guys will love it too. So, on all these books, it's the same thing. There's a lot of books out there now. This one is called Reverse Aging, okay? This one says your body's many cries for water. There's another book called Alkalize or Die, all right? Dr. Baruti, the Miracle, PhD, right? Dr. Young. So all these books talks about the same thing. Removing acid waste is more effective than diet and exercise. Isn't it amazing, right? You are not sick, you are thirsty. Don't treat thirst medications, right? The problem in America is the doctors here treat you with medications. Everything they try to give you a pill and a drug for, right? Which is really sad. But in Japan, the first thing that they do is treat you with the best water. The pill is the last thing they treat you with, right? The first thing they give you the best water and see how it helps you. If that doesn't work, they give you the pill. In the U.S., they give you the pill first, right? I've been to the military doctor, I know. Okay. First thing they give you is a pill, very prescription, very, very sad. All disease comes at the same root cause, too much acidity, right? Without enough water, your body goes acidic, it goes into fast storing. Okay? When your body's too acidic, it goes into fast storing, alright? So let me pour these things out.
Hai bó họ cho bây giờ nó chụp cái gì lắm cũng sao thôi mỗi ngày mình uống một cái cay.
Okay.
Sắp đầy bà thầy ơi.
So look at some of the great testimonies of people. Eddie had bought this medical device. There's an aggressive melanoma brain tumor. That's 1 in 10 chance of surviving that. He's gotten better because he said, I would not be where I am had it not been for prayer and it getting my body back in balance with Kangen water. Laura has fibromyalgia and migraine headaches, right? I feel better and younger than I've been 20 years. I now have tons of energy, very little to no pain. I even lost 25 pounds, right? A lot of amazing health benefits from drinking the water, right? Here's Bob. Bob is overweight, family history of diabetes. Look at him, he's smiling, holding his pants. He lost a lot of weight. Bob has family history, he lost 130 pounds, no sign of diabetes, right? It's pretty amazing. So, 4 years ago when I bought my medical machine, I didn't know anything about this.
On ABC News.
Right? Now I watch like, wow, it's on the news now. 4 years ago, I didn't know it was on the news. A couple of years ago, they have it on the TV, American TV, on the news. So let me play it for you, so you guys can see the news. This is Channel 7 News in America.
Certain kind of water some people swear is better for you. Is it really healing water? 7-thiazidine.
with sesame oil. Thấy chị không có cam thấy.
So when the 41-year-old started hearing the buzz about what's called Kangen water, he decided to give it a guzzle.
The first thing that I noticed is that the water is really, really light. By the time I finished the first gallon, I couldn't really in my eyes.
Kangen water has been used in Japanese hospitals for years, and now the water systems are popping up in restaurants and homes all over South Florida.
Kangen water is water that is not only filtered. Filtering just takes up contaminants. It's water that goes through an additional process called ionization.
The water system is simply hooked up to your faucet.
Inside the machine, there are plates made out of medical-grade titanium, and the machine is plugged into the electricity, so there is a mild electrical charge running through those plates.
The machine takes tap water, filters out the harmful contaminants, and then splits it into alkaline and acid waters. The theory is our body's pH needs to be balanced. Kangen water 8.5.
Little by little, the body's becoming too acidic. So this water helps to offset the acidity, to give your body the right kind of water that it needs. That's
Then just
alkaline,
move the
has
iPad
minerals in
next
it, and in
close to
addition,
you.
the water is very antioxidant, which means it fights free radical damage.
Research trials are just beginning here in the U.S. on whether ionized water is any better than regular water, but Pablo says he saw the health benefits immediately.
In less than 48 hours, I just went away.
Most importantly, his high cholesterol dropped
Which
in
one?
3 weeks, which stopped
Yeah, skip this one.
Dropped down from 228 to 221.
So guys, you can see it's on American news now, right? Within the last 2 years. And this medical device already on the news. Pretty amazing. Okay? So let me go back to our video here. So I found out a lot of people really love the water now. Okay? I found a lot of people really love the water. Let me show you guys this. This is the conference. I've been going to a lot of conferences. Okay? You can see lots of people at the conference. They're learning about the medical device. I met a lot of doctors at these conferences, and I was sitting there. Even the animal doctors are there too, explaining the benefit about the water. And now you even got famous people like Steven Tyler, right? Famous celebrity like Steven Tyler, rock star, American Idol. They all using this medical device. Look, from Japan, medical device from Japan. They're all using it, right? Amazing, amazing. Even the famous clinic where celebrity get their detox, okay? Famous clinic called Betty Ford Clinic. They're using this medical device for people to get detox for alcohol and drugs. They use this for treating alcohol and drugs, right? The water is fantastic, okay? So it's great. Even on the American TV show called The Doctors on CBS, right? A famous TV show on CBS channel. They have the medical device on that show too. They're using it, right? Even professional athletes. Look at this. Shan Stratton. I met him 4 years ago when I bought my medical device. He's amazing.